Hi, I'm Rinda Novetania and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I want to review my special pickets. Let's get started. Okay guys, today I want to review one of the snacks that currently viral. Its name is Motahuaja. Here I have two variants of Motahuaja. The first is crispy fried tofu or called Tahukriukaja, complete with soy sauce or called Aja, and also cayenne pepper, which is commonly called Novetania. And the next package is tofu with tapioca flour filling or what is called Tahuwalikaja, complete with red chili sauce called Aja. Okay, for the first I will try Tahuwalikaja variant. This is what it looks like in one box Tahuwalikaja. Look delicious, right? Well, I will explain you about Tahuwalikaja variant. Tahukriukaja is a special variant because it contains a filling in the form of seasoned tapioca flour. Okay, I just tried to use the red chili sauce, or it's called Aja. Okay, I will try it. Wow, I think it's really delicious, guys, and I think it's a perfect combination. You can look at that, guys. The filling is full. Okay, now I will try to use a cayenne pepper. Okay, let's move on to another variant. This name is Tahukriukaja. In one box of Motahuaja, it contains of 10 tofu and sold for just 15,000 rupiah. This variant is the same as crispy fried tofu in general, but it has a denser tofu. Now I will try to use the soy sauce or Aja with this Tahukriukaja.
For the spaceship time, the space cadet.
I think this is also a good combination, guys. And I think you must try our variant of Motahuaja because it's good. Okay guys, for those of you who live in Malang and want to try this viral fried tofu, you can buy it at the food court at Malang Town Square Mall. Or for information, you can immediately check their Instagram at Motahuaja. Okay guys, thank you for watching.